Hello and welcome to the show. Today we're going to discuss the top 4 houses of colognes I think you should buy and the one house I think you should never buy. Now, a quick disclaimer before we get started. This is for the guy who's just getting into cologne, that wants to up his cologne game. This isn't really for the guy that has 20 million bottles, but with that being said, let's get into it. Number 1 is English Laundry. Now, you can get a 4-pack like this at Macys for around $69, but of course they go on sale for around $40. All 4 colognes, in my opinion, are great for the heat of the summer, which, as we all know, is coming up very shortly. Number 2 is Calvin Klein. Now, as we all know, Calvin Klein is a clothing brand, but they also make a 4-pack of cologne. You can find them online, and you can find them all over the place during the holiday season. Now, why I recommend the 4-pack of Calvin Klein is you may get it, you may try it, you may say, hey, I like this bottle, I want to go out and buy a bigger one. Or somebody else may say, hey, I did like this bottle, instead I like this one, so I'm going to go out and buy a bigger bottle of this. It is a great way to try before you buy or commit to a bigger bottle. Number 3 is Ralph Lauren Polo. You have Polo Green, or the original Polo, which has the more mature classic scent, which is fantastic for the winter time. You have Polo Blue, which is a linen smell, which is great for the summertime. You have Polo Red, which is a fruity scent, which is great for the fall time. You have Polo Double Black, which has a nice peppery smell, which I think would be great for the nightclub or even a date night. And then you have Polo Oud. If you know anything about the cologne industry right now, you know Oud is all the rage. Let me put it this way, I'm glad I did not get a big bottle of this. It's not for everybody, and it's definitely not for me. This is a definitely try before you buy. Number 4 is Yves Saint Laurent. If you have watched any other YouTube videos on these cologne, you know these come very highly recommended. But like always, I recommend you try before you buy. You can get little bottles like this at Sephora and even Macys for like $24. You have this one, which, as we all know, comes very highly recommended, and it is a great date night cologne. You have this one, which I fear is a great day-to-day cologne, and I fear the same about this one. Now, all 3 of those colognes you can wear 24/7, 7 days a week, all year round. And if you're looking for that sort of thing in your cologne, I highly recommend Yves Saint Laurent. So all 4 of those I recommend you buy. The one I don't recommend you buy is Burberry. Burberry smells very synthetic, and I hear what you're saying right now. How bad could they be? You used the whole bottle. Where I had a sample pack of 5 of them. They have all evaporated within a year. I opened them up, I believe, last May, and all 5 samples are completely evaporated. I used each one time, and that was it. They were stored in the exact same place as all my other colognes, And if you look at my Calvin Kleins, which I've had for about 10 years, truth be told, I did not wear cologne for a very long time. These have not evaporated one bit. I believe the Burberry evaporating so quickly says a lot about the Burberry cologne quality. Now, these were just my picks, my favorite. I want to hear your favorites down in the comments below. Please like this video, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.